your assistant team leader and coach, Jerome. I wish you a happy birthday. May your birthday be filled with love, laughter, and everything that makes you happy. You're not just a friend, you're a family to me. Wishing you a year filled with love, laughter, and blessings beyond measure. Masaya ako para sa'yo and you always make people happy through your songs. You have a very nice voice, you're very talented. A good, is this a good host also? And a very loving person to me. Wishing you the best in life. Good morning and happy birthday.
Ayun, I just want to greet you, Kuya Jerome. Happy birthday po. And thank you kasi isa ka sa mga taong pinasasalamatan ko na nagturo sa akin na maging magaling na host. Uy, magaling na host. Yun. Hindi, idol ka talaga dahil hindi ka lang magaling kumanta, magaling ka pa mag-host. At syempre, namimiss ko yung mga biruan natin dyan sa LG, lalo na yung love triangle niyo ni Kuya Nikki, saka ni Tess Ann ko. Ayun. Umamin na ba kayo ni Kuya Nikki? Talaga yung totoong relasyon yung dalawa. Thank you, and happy birthday. Yung lagi mong aalagaan ang aking napakagandang Tess Ann. Ayan. I miss you all. Thank you.
Ayun, Tay, happy birthday. Nakakailan take na ako actually ha. Hindi na ako natutuwa. Charot. Ayun, happy birthday, Tay. Ikaw na ulitin yung mga nasabi ko last time na binati kita kasi alam mo na, parehas mababaw ang luha natin. Baka magkayaanan tayo. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best. Good health. More tagays to come. Ayun. Miss ko na kayo. I miss you, Tatay. Happy birthday. Inuman na.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, tatay. Happy birthday po, tatay. Ingat po kayo dyan palagi. Salamat po sa lahat. Mahal ka namin.
Hello po, Tatay Tanggol. Happy birthday po. Ingat po kayo dyan. I love you po, Mama. Hello po, Tatay Tanggol. Happy birthday po. I love you.
To Kuya Jerome, Coach, Tol, happy birthday. Wishing you good health and success in life. And thank you sa friendship. Kapadayon gapon, bisag wala ako sa group. Thank you kayo. Kanyo lahat lalay. And virtual shot, pimingaw na po ko ba? Sa mo to, happy birthday, God bless, long live.
Hi, hello coach. Happy birthday. Ayan, keep shining, keep smiling. Sure, akala mo kanta yun, no? And keep being amazing. Ingatan po ang health. Ingat din po palagi. And God bless you po. Thank you po sa lahat.
Happy birthday, Tatay! More birthdays to come and stay healthy po. And of course, stay safe. Kasi nga po sa work po natin outside the SM. And yan. We love you always, Tatay. Mama, chuchu!
Ayan, once again, Dada, happy birthday. Happy na, birthday mo pa. Happy birthday, Dada. More candles to blow. And good health, of course. Good health. And more blessings to come. And don't be pagod-pagod. Huwag kang mapagod sa mga anak mo. Turuan kami araw-araw kung paano kumanta ng maayos. Kaya, I'm proud to be one of the LG. At proud ako na nakilala rin po kita kasabay si Mimi. Kaya, I'm thankful. Thank you so much, Dada, sa lahat ng mga na-share mo para sa amin. Mga kapatid ko na iba ng mga official singers sa LG. Kaya, maraming salamat, Dada. And God bless you always. I love you!
Hi, Tatay. Happy birthday po. Wishing you happiness, good health, and great success on your special day. At sana, hindi kayo magsawa na turuan po kami everyday sa mga sets namin. Thank you sa pagtsatsaga mo po na kada sets, tinuturuan mo kami and pagka-guide mo sa aming lahat. Ayan po. Thank you also for being kay Tatay sa LG. Love you, Tatay. Happy birthday po ulit.
Hello, Tatay. Happy birthday po and wishing you more birthdays to come. And thank you po for always guiding us and being our second father po dito sa SM. And thank you din po sa time and effort po ninyo every time na ginagay niyo po kami and ina-assist niyo kami sa sound checking natin. And hope na palagi po kayong in good health and God bless you more and your family always. Ingat po palagi and love po tatay. Thank you po.
Tatay, kumusta po yung tatay? Yun, tatay, happy birthday and salamat po. Let's make it English. Tatay, thank you for leading the team and sa pagtsatsagang sa soundcheck sa amin. Yun, for making LG an awesome group to be in at saka yun, happy birthday tatay and stay healthy and more birthdays to come. Thank you tatay, love tatay, love LG. Mama chup chup.
Hi tay, happy birthday si Muha. Kay adlaw si mga tay. Jubong dali tay. Happy birthday si mga tay. Naton tatay nga tagagag islawas matag adlaw nga imong mga ginabuhat ana. Dayon tay, salamat kayo sa imong pag-guide sa Muha. Sa pagtulong mo sa mga sa buhato na mo, kinangana. Salamat kay tay. Dayon tay ang daghang birthday para happy always. Mara tay, happy birthday. Amping kami.
Ayan, happy birthday sa utol kong pogi. More birthdays to come, more cakes to slice, more candle to blow. Always take care of yourself. Always be happy. Buhay kang gusto mo, nandito lang kami para sa'yo.
Bulaga! Hi, Tay! It's me, Marian. Happy birthday! Nagulat ka ba? May pagganito kami. Pasensya ka na, medyo late. Siyempre, inorganize pa. Medyo kinausap pa yung mga tao sila na para gumawa ng message mo. And of course, nakiusap pa ako kay Minkay to, compile this and put it on one video greetings. Eto, maraming salamat sa'yo. Yun lang ang masasabi ko. And, alam mo na yan, di ba? I'm thankful ako na nakilala kita. At, kasama, araw-araw. Hindi man physical, but I know, by heart, at sa isip natin, magkasama tayo. Di ba? Magka-feeling tayo. Wow, magka-feeling! Char. Anyway, yun nga, lagi mo lang tatandaan na lagi lang ako nandito sa likod mo, to support you sa lahat ng mga plans mo. Basta magandang plano lang, huwag kang magpaplano ng hindi maganda. Patawa, joke, lalapag ako. Anyway, yon. Basta kung ano man ang maging problema, sana hindi ka magsawang makinig o pag-usapan natin ang mga bagay-bagay para maayos. And, yon. Lagi ka lang maging masaya, lagi ka maging blessed. Huwag kang mahihiyang magsabi sa akin pag may mga dapat kong maintindihan. Lagi naman kung naiintindihan, alam mo yan. And palagi kitang mahal. At palagi ako dito sa likod mo para batukan ka kapag pasaway ka. Check! Anyway, I love you tatay at mahal na mahal ka ng LG, mahal na mahal ka ng mga anak-anakan mo dyan at ng mga utols mo dyan. At alam ko na marami kang napapasaya, marami kang nasishare ng iyong mga nalalaman, lalong-lalo na pagdating sa pagkanta. Yun. God bless and please, wag kang magbabago and stay with me. I love you. Bye-bye. Mwah!
Well, Queen Jerome, it's your birthday. The mics you're throwing, you steal the stage. A voice like honey, smooth and sweet. A host so sharp you can't be beat. But here's a twist we all must know. A love triangle that steals the show. Jerome, oh Jerome, what's the deal? With Kui and Nikki and it feels surreal. Are they into it or your backing band? Or just a plot twist we don't understand? You're the star of every crowd. Kui Jerome, you make us proud. But one hand smiles and Nikki stares. We wonder what's happening there. Is it a ballad or a comedy? A love story or a parody? You play the chords, but who's in tune? Jerome, the answer's coming soon. Jerome, oh Jerome, what's the deal? With Kui and Nikki and it feels surreal. Are they into it or your backing band? Or just a plot twist we don't understand? But here's a twist we all must know. A love triangle that steals the show. Jerome, oh Jerome, what's the deal with Queen Nikki and then it feels surreal? Are they your duet or your backing band? Or just a plot twist we don't understand?